Versatile pump. Measure 2.1 L by 1.7 W x 1.3 H. Confirm the size carefully. Suit indoor and outdoor use like bird bathing, sculpture cleaning, fountains, aquariums, etc. Adjustable water flow. Max flow rate, 80 GPH, 300 L/h. Max lift height, 2.4 feet. Power, 4 W. Its rotatable knob allows you to freely control water flow as needed. Long lifespan. The pump can work over 20,000 hours due to its protective ceramic impeller shaft and epoxy resin. Strong to endure running 24/7. Detachable and quiet. Easy to detach the pump and clean it without using any tool. And the 3 strong suction cups hold the pump steadily and keep it quiet during work. Pump accessories. Come with a 5.5 feet listed waterproof power cord with a US plug, an adjustable regulator and 2 nozzles for 1/2 inch and 1/3 inch ID hoses. Top reviews from the United States. Okay for the price. Smaller than I thought, easily clogs with time, but a little pressure with the water hose unclogs it. I have it running 24/7 and so far no issues after 2 months.